Hey there, my peeps. So today, oh my god, alright. So today I'm gonna do some basic maintenance on my refrigerator. And this refrigerator, I got it for free. I forgot sec month, but it's been a while. I know I have it for over a year, but I never cleaned it when I first got it, which I should have done because I wasn't aware. I didn't know that you can actually go ahead and, yeah, maintain your refrigerator and do like some basic, cleaning on it so it could keep running more efficient, where it won't lose its efficiency. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm gonna do with the refrigerator. I want some, thanks to YouTube, a lot of YouTubers and people that put that type of content out there. And it already pretty much started with the AC unit actually, because this AC unit I actually got it from Craigslist, and I think I paid 30-40 bucks for it. And the same thing, I wasn't aware. I didn't know that you actually have to go ahead and you can actually um, just like a car, like a tune-up or the T, every 6 months. And hearing you're supposed to get a earwax removal kit. So there's certain things that we're supposed to do to maintain things, running efficiently at 100%. So the same thing with the AC unit, and I wasn't aware of it. I didn't know. So now that I know, I've done some research. I've watched a bunch of videos on the different type of coil condenser cleaners and stuff like that. So I did some research. The best two products are from, well, one is from New Zealand, but man, it's hard to get access to it. So I'm just gonna get the second best one. So yeah, so I'm gonna actually disassemble this and clean the shit out of it and pretty much make it look like new, and then hopefully as far as performance and cooling and everything, it'll be more efficient. So that's one thing I'm gonna get to. But right now, since it's very easy, I mean, you either could use, there's a couple, yeah, there's sprays and foams that you could use to clean this. Like aerosols, like sprays, and they'll foam up. But right now, since I haven't gone and purchased that thing, I'm just gonna use a regular blower. And this blower is for those air mattresses. So you could use a air compressor, and just have like the minimum setting from like 30 psi to probably like, I don't know, maybe 50, 100. I'm not sure. But you could take that approach. You could use or a vacuum, just suck everything up. Yeah, because this is what's gonna affect the performance as far as like when the fan kicks in and the condenser, and then like how often for how long. So I already took off the screws. I used my Klein tools, slotted screwdriver. So here we go. I'm gonna just remove it and see what we could. Damn. So something, I don't even have access to the condenser coils. Now that I'm looking at it, I had the compressor here, and I had the fan here, and fuck, look all this shit that is behind here. And it's because I had a mice infestation in my in the garage, in my living space. So what I'm gonna do is just clean this up as much as possible. Look at this, all this wraps. That's why, yeah, man, it's just real bad, dude. I'm gonna find a lot of droppings, mice droppings. I mean, I already can see them right here. I don't know if you guys can see those stupid little black pebbles. Yeah, so yeah, they pretty much. And when I moved this, actually from its location, man, the fucking mice just came out, you know, and I had my chancla, my huarache, my sandal, and I fucking aimed at it, and it was moving all crazy, you know, it was, they didn't know where to go, and I fucking, you know, hit them, you know, fucking got good target, good aim, fucked them up. But yeah, so like I'm gonna clean all of this stuff. But yeah, so pretty much this was their nest, this was their home. So that's why I took it out. It's been sitting out for I don't know like 2 weeks. So I'm gonna clean the shit out of this, dust it out, and hopefully it helps the performance. Look at the fan. Look, it even has like look at this. It's ridiculous. That's why things don't work. But like they're supposed to. Look on the fan. So look, and there's look. Man, no wonder things don't work the way they're supposed to. And you know, when you just gotta take the time, and you use basic tools, do a little bit of research. You know, thanks to YouTube and people out there, you know, taking the approach of, because you could save major money on your electricity bill, major money on having to replace the whole refrigerator, you know, because these things ain't cheap. You know, you're looking at a couple $100 or even $1,000 sometimes, you know, depending on the brand and the type of the fanciness. And yeah, it's like they could get really expensive. But I mean, honestly, I got this one for free from some a gentleman, a Caucasian, a white guy. His roommates moved out. He was by himself. He didn't need this big ass refrigerator. He was hardly home, so he was like, "Man, I'm just gonna get myself a little one," and that's the reason why he gave it. He gave it away for free, you know, and that's how I got it, man, from Craigslist. So right now I'm gonna just put a little bit of tender loving and care. Look at all the shit I just pulled off of the fan, and like I said, my peeps, get this going and clean it and the inside and everything. We're gonna leave this shit looking like brand new as much as possible. Alright, my peeps, so I'm gonna get to it. I don't know where I'm gonna set the camera so you guys could kind of see me doing the blowing. But yeah, my peeps, so because I'm gonna be honest with you, my peeps. I was gonna get rid of it actually. Either sell it or junk it. Fucking just take it to a scrap metal yard and see what the fuck they give me. But it works. It works. It really works. It works good. It leaks a little bit, but I have concrete in the garage, so that doesn't matter. You know. And I got it for free, and it works. Damn, you know, and it's big, and I can store a lot of food. So why throw it away if it still works? You know, just put a little bit of care into it and make it running all badass. All right, my piece. So here we go. I'm brewing. I'm actually inoculating right now my biochar actually. So I have some biochar. I got these corn cobs that I biochar, and I'm inoculating inoculating it with rock dust, you know, with minerals. And right here, this is just my important documents. Since I don't have a shredder or anything like that. My dad gave me this idea. Just put all your important documents in water and let them dissolve, and then I bury them. So yeah, and this all help my just been drinking a lot of coconut water, pretty much trying to get drunk off this. It's pretty much full of Arizona and coconut water, or mainly coconut water. But yeah, my peeps, so I'm gonna put the camera down, or maybe hopefully Mary could be my camera. But yeah, so I'm gonna clean this refrigerator, man. I mean, excuse me, this AC unit. It's filthy, man. And yes, I gotta straighten these out because I just found out through the videos, YouTube videos, and the people that when these are damaged, it actually affects the performance. So you can straighten them out. See this? No bueno. And this was because there was a bird cage right here. Well, I'll show you the bird cage. We actually relocated it because it used to block the pathway here. You know, it really did. So me and my dad, we relocated the bird cage that was here and did this damage when we moved it over here on this side of this wall. Alright, my peeps, so I finished dusting this out as much as I could with my little blower thingy. So I even tilted the refrigerator over. Look, show you guys. So I could get underneath and get access to the condenser coils. Yeah, because they're right here. They're all down here. So yeah, I killed a bunch of black spiders too that were creeping out. So it's still dirty. You know, there's still dust in between and stuck because there's two layers. It's like a V shape. Some in the back. So yeah, so I'm gonna get all of this out because the blower didn't do that much of a great job. Check out the big debris. But yeah, but for the most part, I'm gonna get this real good. Yeah, and I just blew everything out outside. Everything's just a lot of stuff. So let me go wrap around. So let me show you. So see all this buildup, all this dust. There's a lot of crap back there. I can't really see. It's really dirty. So all of this stuff, I'm gonna clean it, and I'm gonna hose it down, and then I'm gonna blow, air dry it, and then hopefully I don't fuck it up, and it still works. You know. So I'm gonna do my best not to wet like these, the electrical I should put electrical tape around these things actually. That's what I'm actually gonna do. I'm actually gonna put electrical tape around these things and try to cover these up. All the electrical parts, I'm gonna put electrical tape, and just to play it safe. So then I could like really hose it down because I'm gonna use this. This thing is a shit. So stainless steel, tile, porcelain, ceramic, fiberglass, aluminum, copper, brass, chrome, glass. Yeah, this thing is the bomb. So I'm gonna make it look brand new using this. Yeah, love this thing, this shit. So I'm just gonna put electrical tape and then show you guys. Alright. I don't know if that's gonna do anything, but I hope it does. If not, oh well. But I'm gonna try not to get this section wet as much as possible. I might even get like a plastic bag and just put it over here, you know. That's fucking so stupid, dude. Alright, my peeps, my phone always makes calls on its own. So, alright, so what I'm gonna just play it safe. I'm gonna put a plastic bag on this side. And yeah, so I'm gonna just play it smart and try not to wet any of this. But everything else, I'm definitely gonna hose it up real good, especially in the bottom. So right now I'm just gonna spray this. So hopefully it works. Alright, so you just get mainly some of this. Yeah, this. Look, I don't know if you guys can see it, but damn it, my camera's not good. It's been rusty. Been a while. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna try my best to get the fan. Just kind of let this thing do its thing. So there you go, my peeps. Just trying to get it here and there. Just try not to. Let's go on the back side now. Alright, so we're gonna get this now. Let this kind of, do its thing. Alright, I'm just gonna leave that like that. And I'm actually gonna do the inside too, because the inside is pretty fucking filthy. I'm just getting in all those little nicks and crannies. Let that shit dissolve real fucking good. So, as you guys can see, I'm just letting it pretty much do its thing. Hopefully I can just hose this down real good, real quick. And get everything nice and clean and shiny. So, that's how it looks. You can see that shit dissolving all that nasty gunk. And that's good enough. Just gonna let this do its thing. And that's it. Hopefully it's fucking... It energizes and it works good. Alright, my peep, so I'm gonna hose this down for sure. And then I'm gonna do the inside for sure too, because the inside is pretty bad. See? And it smells pretty funky too. So I gotta get all of this stuff. So alright, peace. I'm gonna hook up the hose and get to it and hose it down and hopefully it's nice and clean. Alright. Peace. Alright, my peeps, so I managed to clean it. I power hosed it real good. And here's the result, man. So that's the grill or the condensing coils where most of the action happens. And I cleaned everything real good. So now let's go check out the back side. So that's this. Look. Right? Clean. Alright. Check out the back side now. Back side. Nice and shiny. The copper. Got everything. Look at the fan. I got all of this stuff that was in here. Most, yeah. It's just power host everything. Yep. So I'm just gonna let it rest like this for a while. Let it air dry. I'm not gonna turn it on until tomorrow. Hopefully it all works perfectly. And yet again, I saved myself a couple $100. Yep. So there you go. So that's how I cleaned it up. You see, look. Guys, gotta get the camera in here. My hand. Look. Right. Oh crap. My hand fit through here. You see? That little. That's a good thing. I'm having big stubby hands. But yeah. So hopefully this works, man, and if it does, fucking sweet. I'm just gonna clean the inside. Fucking my peeps. I'm gonna connect the brew. Alright, my peeps, so there you go. Then I'm gonna do the AC unit. Alright. Peace, love, and health.